Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing champignon mushrooms snack. Some people say it is not so great. Well, I don't know because I never tried it before. The price is $3.99. Very expensive. Small size, right? About the size of two of my 9-year-old hands put together like that. But yeah, let's turn it over. Nutrition facts and ingredients. It doesn't say there's anything that might be, allergic to some people. And that's a picture of it. And also, this champignon mushroom is also a topping of a pizza that I reviewed. It's linked above or suggested above if it says that. And there's a notch here so I can... I'm so nervous to taste it for some reason. And not even a lot. One for you. And one for me. Ready? Not bad. I thought it was going to be really, really bland, but it's way better than I thought it would be. A bit salty. It's like sponge. Another one, Daddy? Really? Didn't know he liked these mushrooms, though. I took out a broken one for him. Well, I didn't know. I'm not the person who's looked. Got one. It's very expensive for a very small package, number one. And number two, it's only half full. Well, what's a half full? It's like a third full. Let's see how much there is. We're gonna move this thing in the Ziploc anyway after this video ends, so who cares? You go. Oh my goodness. There you go, so you can see the package as well. Well, not a lot. Now you can find everything you want. I think my mother might like it. You can also toss this in a salad if you guys want to. It won't make good. It's not really a crouton, but kind of like one. It's spicy like a marshmallow. Well, better than I thought it would be. But it is still not really a good champignon mushroom. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. And meet me again on this brown table or watch many other videos that I already uploaded. Bye for now.